When you look at this image, a lot of you remember a bunch of videos that were posted years and years ago about a mysterious door in India that could not be opened lest the world would come to an end. And of course it was filled with gold, and someone claimed that it was all reparations mode, the reparations meme. Now, if you look at a decent quality version of it, you notice that some of the little figures that are supposed to be on the stone door are floating in air because this is a 3D rendering that also integrated Photoshop. It's called Gates of Hell by a specific artist, and it never, under any conditions, was a real object in physical space, partially because it's mechanically impossible for it to be so. It got third place in the 2004 3D art contest on 3D Lover. The gate was the theme for this contest. It was contest number 38. And there he is, Mark Russo of Brazil. He used 3ds Max and he used Photoshop to make the images. Here's the actual entry. 3ds Max, and he used an Intel P4 2.8 gigahertz with 1 gigabyte of RAM, and it took him 2 hours and 43 minutes to render this. Total nominations was 288, almost 800,000 polygons, and 140 human figures, plus the details. This has never been, nor will it ever be, a physical object at a temple somewhere in India. It is not a picture of a real object. Now, the reason I'm hammering this, sand and salt style, is people are reusing this image without giving photo credit. I don't do that. Sealed. Padmanabhaswamy Timble door? No, and that actually is an extremely boring looking door, and it's not really a door, it's a storage area for loot held by some temple. It's not mysterious, and it's not guarded by some evil spirits or curse. This was the Gates of Hell, a 2003 artwork by Mario Russo of Brazil using 3ds Max and Photoshop. It won third place at the 2004 3D Lover contest, number 38. The theme was The Gate, and it was featured on page 160 approximately of Elemental, the world's best discrete art by Ballistic Media, which went out of business, which was mostly hosted by somebody running a business. This artwork doesn't get credit where credit's due. It's been used to make a ton of money by a bunch of people using clickbaity titles, and it always preys on the same concept, contrarianism. Any fact or any piece of reality must be defied by people who wish to be, quote-unquote, believers. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that.